Alright guys, welcome back here to Know Your Craft Tech channel. Today we're explaining the concept of children in React.js and the importance of it. So basically we have this file setup that we have here. If you don't understand this, you can go and check my video on this context. Okay. So now when we talk about children in React.js, children is actually those DOM document object module that we wrap around a particular component we are passing into another. Let me explain that. If I have this file, look at here, we have file A, right, passing to app.jsx, right? Now file A here we have this empty. Let me type in file A here. So once I type in file A here, can you see it's showing here? Let me change the color and the style. So let's make this color to be white. So can you see what we have here? We have file A, right? Be passed here. Now this file A, I can choose to pass a prop. I can choose to pass, let's say we want to pass name as a prop. Okay, I can call this KUC, right? And in here I can write prop to the structure as a prop. Okay, not this way. I can bring that as a prop, and down here I can create an h2 and then get that prop. We have props, not props, but prop, sorry, prop, and then the name that we pass here, which is any name that you like. Now we use name here. Okay, we're going to say prop dot name. Okay, can you see what we have here? Prop dot name, and the name that we have here is KUC. Let me paste this same style so that you see the same output. It's white. Can you see KUC now? Or I can destructure the name directly and then come in here and just write the name, right? If I use another name called children, let's see what that gives us. If I use children here and I give this name called children components, okay, what that gives us is this one we pass here is just a prop, not children itself. I'll explain what that children actually mean. So I can come here and destructure the children and pass again here. I can remove this name and write the children that we passed. So automatically I'm going to see that name, which is children component right here, right? But in this case, we don't want this children component. We only want the children that we are talking about. Now the children we're talking about here is the children DOM, like I said before, that are passed between these components, between this file A component. If I come here and write a div, okay, and write hello everyone. Okay, can you see now what we have here is hello everyone, not children component being passed. Why? Because children itself that we have here, the structuring here, is actually created for passing components that are between the DOM, not this one. This one is actually a name. You can give your prop any name. This one is actually seeing it as a normal prop component. If I delete this, nothing happens, right? It's only identifying that, oh, children are what is wrapped, what is inside this component that is here. Now if you look here, we have this and this, right, open and close, but what we write inside here is now defined as the children. If I do this multiple times, can you see we have hello children, hello children, hello children, right? But in here, if I have children, I pass that a prop and I write hello, you will never see it there. But if I remove this, you will not still see it there. Let's see what happens, right? Okay, you will see there, like, yeah, you're going to see hello, right? But if I bring it back, you're going to see only this way, because it was created for only this one that we can see inside. All right, so, or if I remove this and I only wrap it round here, okay, you're going to see children hello, right? This one is different. This one means I'm passing the normal prop with the name of children, just like I pass the name of that prop of name, this name that we have here. But now I'm only talking about children as a prop. Okay, but if I don't pass as a prop, I'm pass as children, I will really mean in React.js. It means that I am passing this that we did before. I'm passing whatever element that is here, and whatever element that is here, I can give it a style. I can say I can give it a style. From here I can style it and give it a color. I can say red. Let's see what it gives us here. Can you see it changes automatically? I can do my design and automatically pass whatever we have here as a child component, as the children here. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. See you guys. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.